Our current objective is to create a blank for our front legs.
We are in the process of sizing this blank down to our finished thickness of 3 5/16 by our finished width of 1 1/2 by our finished length of 23 1/4 inches.
It is near impossible to perfectly glue these boards together without them shifting just a little bit. So we need to start by joining two adjacent surfaces. This would be the 4 edges and 1 face. This will ensure that we have a perfect 90-degree angle, or 2 adjacent faces that are perpendicular to each other. And I will be labeling these good so that I can remember that these are my 2 adjacent jointed perpendicular faces.